Hey there, welcome again in my video, and today we discuss about neuroethics and the regulation of misuse. So this is an important video today. Let's start our video properly. Among scholars studying arms control and disarmament, the view has developed in the international agreements on these issues cannot be maintained and developed by the state acting alone. With that, the part a range of other mechanisms, including the awareness and actions by the practicing scientists, is also required. It is noted at the start of the chapter that although the neuroethics that this word is take off from the neuro, that means the brain or nervous system, and neurons, the neurotechnology. So there, the neuroethics is a very and a new discipline. Its basis with the bioethics and tradition that evolved after the Second World War gives it a broad perspective. However, careful examinations of the relevant lectures are showing that the only very recently have neuroethics begun to focus in a deal with the problem of a dual use in the regards to chemical and biological weapons, and to link up with the ongoing studies of a dual use the chemical and biological non-proliferations and the regard two international conference in the mid of 2018 allowed an assessment of the international progress in the development and regulatory systems for much. So for such dual use both the nationally and the internationally, there the first conference was organized in a cooperation with the Inter-Academy Panel and the Soviet. What is currently now and what was the regulatory system around the world and end to end. So the demonstrated that the partial and the fragmentary natures of these systems were rather as well the structure and the more comprehensive systems. The second conference was organized by the BTWC Implementations Sports Unit and the Chinese government on the focus on the Chinese proposal of the agreement by the BTWC states parties on the biosecurity. So as today is the age of the biowars, such in the past there are many of the examples of the biowars. So today the governments take over the security or the bios, that which is known as the biosecurity. Where this an agreement an important court of the ethics and the similar to the huge ethical guidance are recently developed for the chemists and could then be used to inform the various national codes of conduct. The chapter and but I think the UN Secretary General varying in the early 2018 unless effective actions it take use the chemical weapons and the potentially biological weapons. Could the target only becomes a normalized and it is a context with a concern about where such processes could end up or unnoted, and as well as the vice versa. So there I hope that you get fully informed our videos, and thanks for watching again.